Hello. My lighting sucks. But oh well, I just wanted to make this video. This is Risa, and I just wanted to make this quick video because I was just listening to a video about Ninja Man. This guy was reporting on Ninja Man and the message he sent with his friends, and his request was that his name be remembered. He wasn't begging for anything. He wasn't begging for money or anything. He just wanted his name to be remembered, not to be forgotten. And I am not a big dance hall connoisseur where I know everything or anybody really. But from what I can remember, Ninja Man, he was a monument in the growth of dancehall. The names that I remember that was a pivotal point in reggae music turning internationally, how it has now, is Ninja Man, Shabba Ranks before his problems, and I remember Papa San. Those three names just stand out in my memory. And it's a shame that Ninja Man, he's been away for what, 2 years? And already it's like he's forgotten. And I don't think that is fair because apart from he being this amazing artist that contributed so much to reggae or DJing, whatever, it's a shame that he's been forgotten already, and it's only 2 years. He has contributed so much. And apart from that, he was doing his charity work. I used to watch him in the mornings as he would come on in the morning and does his thing on Facebook, his Facebook Live, and he would show what he's doing, where he's going. Sometimes I see him driving into the country, up these little country lane, looking for people that needed help. And he didn't have to do this. He really didn't have to do this. But he took the time out and he was helping people. And how soon we forget the good that people have done. And it's not everybody is going to take time out of their day, take their fancy car, go up into the countryside to look for some poor people who's not even their family. Well, he did, and he did it with grace. He was an avid believer in helping poor people, try and elevate poor people. Not only poor people, he has helped a lot of artists on their way up. He assisted them. So where are all these people that he has helped? All these people that he used to associate with, all his friends in the business, where are they? How they just kind of forgot about him? It makes me wonder if it's only because he was there in front of them that they would show him the respect, but now that he's out of sight, he's out of mind. That's crazy. There needs to be a little bit more cooperation, a little bit more shown to Ninja Man and what he's contributed to the Jamaican society and the world. It's undeniable that he was a great artist. He was what they call the Don Garden, right? So that's just to show you, to get a name like that, to get a status like that, you have to have done something. So let us not forget Ninja Man and the work that he has done. Because what? There are other artists that's coming up, and they are looking to the elders that has gone before them for inspiration, and they want to know that, okay, we can see Ninja Man perform, see how he did it, how he, I mean, everybody makes a mistake. They're not going to emulate his mistake that he has made, but they want to see what he has done to reach the status that he has gotten. We all make mistakes, and he's paying for his mistake. That's undeniable. We know that. But we can still show him the respect that he deserves. Yay to Ninja Man. Free Ninja Man. Hey, hey. Thanks for watching. Take care.